Hi, it's Arielle from the Sephora squad representing the Parks Mall at Arlington, Texas. I'm here to give you babes some tips on how to contour for a round face shape, so stay tuned and get ready to learn. I've already started by putting on my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Stick Foundation in the shade Y375. The reason I love this foundation stick so much is because with my dry skin, I need as much hydration as possible, and this foundation gives you a long, hydrated wear. I'm gonna start my contour off by taking the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick in the shade Sable. I'm gonna take the foundation stick and start at the top of my cheekbone and bring it at a downward angle towards my mouth. Now, the reason I like to do this is because I have more of a round shaped face, and this is gonna give me more of a heart shape. I like the heart shape because it really pushes the light up this way and just brings a lot of brightness to the top half of my face. So I'm gonna take this product downward like this and just add small little bits towards my eyebrow, creating almost a half heart shape. I love doing this because it really just narrows down the bottom half of my face and gives me such a pretty face shape. Now, taking my Sephora Collection number 49 brush, I'm lightly patting the product in, working in small circular motions. As you can tell, I'm pushing the contour color slightly upwards as I blend, and the reason I do that is because I'm trying to push that light as close to the center up here as possible. I'm now gonna repeat the steps on the other side. Again, taking it from the top of the cheekbone down towards the mouth, and then placing a little bit of the product towards my eyebrow. As you can tell, it's another one of those half heart shapes, and we're gonna go ahead and blend it back upwards like the other side. With whatever excess product there is on this brush, I'm gonna complete that heart shape by creating a point towards my chin. Now I'm going to lock my contour into place, taking the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Baked Foundation Face Powder in the shade Tan. I'm gonna take this on a Sephora Collection number 50 brush. Now, as you can tell, I'm not taking this powder and setting my entire face. I'm only setting the areas that I place my contour on. And the reason I like it is because it reinforces what we've done already. And just to keep a consistent bronze, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this powder onto my neck. Next, I'm gonna take the Jouer Cosmetics Blush Bouquet Dual Blush Palette in the Rose Gold collection, and I'm gonna place this on the top of my cheekbones. Now, on one side of my Sephora Collection 59 brush, I'm gonna take the deeper shade. I'm gonna place it right where we placed our foundation powder earlier. Again, keeping consistent with that heart shape we want to make with our face, keeping it wider on the top and then narrowing it in towards the center. On the other side of our brush, I'm gonna take the lighter blush shade, and I'm gonna use this to kind of brighten the apples of the cheeks. But I'm also gonna stay consistent with the heart shape we've been creating so far, and just kind of place a little bit down here. We're focusing this color more towards the center because we want to focus all of our brightness in the center. That's gonna really reinforce that heart shape we're creating. Now, I went ahead and set my concealer off camera, and we've already been placing a lot of darker colors to create depth for our contour, but now it's time to add in a little bit of brightness. Taking the Benefit Cosmetics Hello Happy Velvet Powder Foundation in the shade number 3, I'm gonna add brightness to the center of my concealer. Taking my Sephora Collection number 99 brush, I'm gonna dig into the little smiley face, and I'm gonna start to place this product right on the center of my under eye. The reason I love this product so much is because I can add it and add it and add it, and it will never feel too heavy. And if you use a setting spray right on top of it, it really just melts on in if you feel like it gives too much of a powdery look. Now, because I have dry skin, that is probably my favorite reason why I use this powder. I'm also gonna take this powder next to reinforce the contour we created. Fear not if this little line you create has more of a powdered finish. The minute I lay down my setting spray, that product will just melt on in and give a seamless finish. Now, to finish off the look, I'm gonna take the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist and just set my entire face. Now, I love this setting spray because having dry skin means the more hydration, the better, and this gives you just a little bit of glow. And I'm gonna make sure I blanket a small layer over the area that we brightened underneath our contour. This is gonna help it give it that seamless finish I promised. That's all for this one, gorgeous. I hope you loved these tips and tricks, and I hope they helped you go out and rock a killer contour. I'll see you in the next one. Leave a comment down below as to which one of these tips helped you the most.